On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a...
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we? How are we? I slept like an angel last night. Like an angel. My God. I think it was the best sleep I've had since the newborn son. So we're well rested. I don't know, maybe this no sleep. Like the past month, I have had one bad day. One. So maybe this be careful. This is never financial advice, but you may not want to listen to me today. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, I'm ready for a jog. Oh, man. Watch. My nose will start running. My allergies will kick in. And then you'll be like, okay, he's really not tired. Because you guys are funny. I see you. I see you guys. I see you guys. I actually, nice sleep. Got the coffee going. I mean, how do you guys take your coffee? You guys used to criticize me. I took too much creamer. Now it looks more like coffee, I guess. And I mean, we got a pretty cool poll. I see all these polls, all these YouTubers. They always put, Bitcoin up or down. Bitcoin, are you bullish or are you bearish? Like, who cares? Up or down, we gonna make money, right? Okay. So we got a poll here. You got to pick one. Could you go back 10 years with the same knowledge? I know all you people are gonna go back and buy Bitcoin, all this bullshit with your $2 that you had when you're 20 years old. $1 million. You want to be 3 times stronger. Now, there's an advantage to be 3 times stronger. You can make a lot of money if you're 3 times stronger. Or you never need sleep. Now, think about that. That means you would actually add like 33% of your life you spend sleeping. Think about it. 8 hours a day. Do the math, okay? That means you would increase your lifespan by 33%. I don't know. Sounds pretty good to me. It'd be like living to 120 if you live till 90 or something like that. Some stupid math. I ain't going to do the math. I'm going to say hi to you guys, though, so thank you for being here. I'm in a good mood today. Holy smokes. Let's go Bitcoin. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at these legendary people. These people who always show up. You guys are amazing, right? You guys know that, though. You guys know that. I gotta kiss your ass a little bit more. I got the smoke machine. I'll blow some smoke up your ass. Look at this guy, Chris Klein. He disappeared for a while, but he's always showing up. Thank you, Chris Klein. Thank you. I'll blow that smoke up your ass. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. See, you were number 2 today. You see, I forgot you yesterday. I knew I owed you an apology, so there's your apology. What's going on, man? I'll blow some smoke up your ass, too. Okay, Curtis Neal, what's going on, man? Yamaha with the 255. Dump or pump? See, he asked the question for the poll already, guys. Put a 1 for a dump. Put a 2 for a pump, okay? I think we're going to go choppity chop, and we're going to make money anyways. It doesn't really matter what's going on. Curtis Neal, the second I entered the Discord, you got a friend request from a spammer, Alex O. Had to double check. Yeah, honestly, if you're gonna message me, I'm active in the Discord. Click my name and message me. I will not message you first. I'm not here to talk to you. I got a lot of people to talk to all the time in the Discord. Discord will take away your soul. It will take your life away. If I'm there 24/7, I am not with my it. You got to be careful, okay? It's like getting on that TikTok shit, man. It's like this is gonna be like the next like finishing move. If you're gonna get into a fight with a kid who was born after 2000, he's just gonna go and knock you right the fuck out. Right? Finish him. The scroll. They got this backhand shit down pat, man. I can't go there. Man, I'm in a good mood today. Darren does things. What's going on, man? What's going on? AL Junior smashed coffee ready. Let's smash those likes. Let's go. Blair Stevenson, good morning, everyone. Good morning to you, Lotmo Crypto as well. Let's get it. Much love to all. Mad love to you, bro. Jay Armo, good morning to you. Scott Easy C, what's going on, guys? Hope you're having a good morning. 10 years younger plus sleep like Alex. Yeah, let's go. Today's I've been getting 2-hour broken sleep. 2 hours wake up, 2 hours wake up, 2 hours. So nothing worse than broken sleep, but it's a newborn baby. I mean, the kid's cute as hell. I don't care if he wakes me up. He's beautiful. He can scream like Tarzan. It's okay. He's still just too beautiful to even care, right? We got NW in here. Oh, no, I picked $1 million instead of going back 10 years in the poll. I mean, you could go back 10 years and buy Bitcoin. I mean, it's kind of like a hack, I guess. But who knows? You would probably still sell the bottom. Let's face it. You'd forget the date. You'd go back and you'd forget the date. If you're smart, you just set limit sells at 69,000, right? Anyways, what's going on, Paul? Good to see you, man. Sweet and blonde for my coffee and woman. Okay. I dated a blonde once and she was psycho, man. I mean, psycho. Yeah. It was in college. It was a very, very bad experiment. Oh, man. Good to see you. G-Corp, what's going on, brother? Good to see you as well. Quazim, thank you. Alex, for what? What did I do? Oh, man. I appreciate you guys. So much smoke. Oh, I'm blowing the smoke, baby. I got the smoke machine out today, man. Fotis, what's going on? From the UK, 1, then 2, says Curtis Neal. 1, then 2. So we're going to dump, then pump. Dump, then pump, eh? Whew, we'll see. Maybe a Band-Aid powers back. Good job, man. Man, there's a lot of people out there who got hit hard by that hurricane. I hope you guys are all well. I mean, it's nasty out there. It's nasty. I hope you're well, man. Wick 589. I've seen kids type on their phones faster than someone who has been in a keyboard for 50 years. Yeah, it's they got that swipe and they got the right. They're going to be able to type with their minds soon. I mean, who knows, right? I'll stick with my Duck Hunter. How about a blonde joke book? Oh, my God. Do they have one? Maybe someone can send me a link to a blonde joke book. I'll buy one. Blonde joke book. I'm Googling it right now. Huge in-stock inventory. The Big Book of Dad Jokes. Maybe I'll get that one too. What do you guys think? I shouldn't show my my information. I will screen. I mean, this guy's name is Charlie Crapper. Okay, this guy's name is Charlie Crapper. Maybe I get this one. What do you guys think? See, like this, I don't know. This just looks like IQ of a snail. Maybe I don't know shit, but I'm just saying, you know. Charlie Crapper made this. He probably wrote this on the Crapper. 250 episodes we get done with these hilarious I mean, I can't. What if we got blondes in the audience? We can't be making fun of them. You can't be making fun of. That's not fair to them. They didn't choose their hair. A lot of people just choose their hair to be blonde, though. I mean, I guess there's a Slim Shady in all of us, right? Should be perfect for us now. Oh man, do it. Not with that attitude. God bless you and your family as well, Max. Thank you for the kind words. I really appreciate. Salute, my friend. Salute. Oh man. Jonathan Schaefer says it's okay. The blondes can make fun of us. Yeah, I mean, tall, dark, and handsome. I ain't tall. So Hobbit, dark and handsome. I guess we'll take it. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. 60% win rate. You can do that as long as you got a good R multiple. You can definitely make some money with a 60% win rate. You just got to be making sure you're practicing good risk management. So, oh, the crapper is where I do most of my thinking. Yeah, it's either a crapper or a shower. It's kind of like a mixed bag. Either you're really stinky and dirty, or you're clean as can be. You know, so it's weird where we do our thinking. Us men. My ex was a blonde. Confirmed. They are the worst of the worst. I mean, from experience, I have to agree with you. I'm just from experience. I'm not saying blondes are smart or stupid or anything like that. I think blonde is a great color if it's a color. But from my experience, I've had the same one as you. Maybe there is no blonde joke in our Discord. Is there an option for a blonde joke? Blonde. No, there's just dad joke. We'll go with the dad joke. What is the dad joke for today? Why is no one friends with Dracula? Because he's a pain in the neck. My God. Both my ex-wives were blonde. Oh, man. Oh, Curtis Neal says, if you crap in the shower, you'd be unstoppable. Be some Einstein shit. That'd be literally and figuratively. You'd be making up. You'd be solving, crazy quantum physics shit. I don't know. Let's go. I love it. So, looking at Bitcoin, it's 8:30. We do have news at 10 o'clock today, guys, just so that you are aware. Oh man, you guys kill me. Too good. You know what? I got long. I took a little long scalp here last night. I could have still been in this, However, the rules didn't prevail for me to hold this overnight. Okay, my rules. I don't like holding trades overnight, so I don't. If you want to see, I can show you the little win. I don't know where is it. It was like a really, really small little scalp, but it was a nice little. This was like a beautiful little nightcap last night here. Oh man, close long, 50x long from 57.85, 50. Oh, that's how much money I put on it. Okay, made $180 here on literally this little move here. This was it. Oh, it was so little. Oh man, it was tiny. I could have held on to it, but I obviously was spending time with family last night, as we do. A little small trade here. As you can see, entry and close price, right? So 63.85. 63. It was even smaller than that. Yeah. 63.85 to 63 to. Yeah, that was the trade right there. What? I don't know. I saw the sweep of the lows. You got your triple bottom. It would have played, right? Our 1% moves. It would have paid. I would have made a nice chunk of money there. Okay. Would have made a nice chunk of money, but this was at like 3 a.m., man. I ain't got time for 3 a.m. I ain't got time. Do you guys got time at 3 a.m. with a newborn? I mean, time is of the precious, okay? Time is precious. The Biomex, what's going on, bro? 25 chapters done. Let's go. Billy Goat Tails, man. Tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They family, man. They family. Good to see you guys. I did the same one, says Luke. Yeah, we initially gave the trade setup here in our Discord. So if you are part of the Discord, I mean, you had the idea that we wanted to get long here. Okay? But I said no trade. Okay? I said no trade. Too choppy, no trade, right? See, this is the thing too. If you're part of the Discord and you pay attention, you get your you're kind of a walkthrough, right? So here it is. I guess you'd say, preparing for potential long, right? Preparing, right? There's our first low, right? And we were expecting it to come back down, which it did. It did, but it came much lower. It came 62,750, right? Then I said, market seems very choppy right now. I will not be entering this trade. Very, very simple. Here is your key levels. 62,796, okay? And Jonathan Schaefer had the cojones to say that I missed it. And I did, by $10. By $10. Look at this. 802. Look, this is 802. Oh my God. I missed it by what, $8? I suck. I suck, man. I suck. I did give you the big, huge green box of where to buy, though. I did, big green box. Buy here. Buy here. I mean, you had even a second chance here. You had a second chance. So if you are new here and you do want to trade with us, I mean, it's all there. It's all there in the Discord. Someone was asking about changing their payments. It's got to be, I don't know if they're here, but it's got to be on your Stripe or your Stripe or PayPal. I mean, it's $1 a day. Keep the dentist away. Jonathan Schaefer needs to explain this black swan thing, man. I don't know. He's getting me bearish, and I don't like it. Jonathan Schaefer, maybe you want to elaborate on your world crashing theory. Fear and greed is at 50. Okay, we're okay. Now, Jonathan Schaefer is scaring our Discord right now, which is okay because we need to trade both sides of what is presented to us. Okay, it's always important to be Switzerland, to be neutral, right? So, what are we looking at here? Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Today, we have 10 o'clock. Jolts. Now, Jerome Powell spoke yesterday. This guy is trying to hype up jobs. He's saying jobs are now more important than GDP. My friends, this is important. Yesterday, he said, jobs are more important than GDP, which means this Friday, unemployment rate, non-farm payrolls, we need to see them land the plane, right? We want to see them land the plane and take off, which is the same thing we want to see with the numbers. We want to see the numbers slowly come down and start to lift, okay? That would be soft landing. Are we going to get it? I doubt it. I'd expect stimulus, big pump, big crash. That's just me. Who knows? Who cares? We'll take advantage of price action. Okay? But jobs are more important than GDP. So this is going to be a little bit interesting because we need to be prepared for that. Okay? So today, 10 a.m., Jolts, job openings, okay? We got some interesting things coming at 10 a.m. We could have some volatility in the market, so we're prepared. Nonetheless, for 10 a.m., we might not want to be in a trade, but we can possibly find one beforehand. So we hopefully can do that, okay? We hopefully can do that. So what do we have? We haven't broken structure to the downside as of yet. That's why we were looking for the long here yesterday night. As you can see, we've pushed up, we've come up here, we've double topped, basically rolled over, and we have made a higher low. This is still not mitigated down below us here. So this is still a valid higher low, in my opinion. Now, can we continue to push, right? This looks a little bit Bart Simpson-y bearish, right? As you can see, we came up here, blah, 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 bang, right back down. So are we going to see a potential push to the upside only to get rejected? That's okay. We have mitigated the high over here. We have made a higher high. That doesn't mean they're not going to wreck everybody, okay? Yes, it is a new day. It's a new dawn. It's a new month. Happy October, everybody. Okay? Happy October. We got our quarterly close as well, so we should look at these things, okay? These are important things. Quarterly. What do you reckon about the quarterly close? I think it's pretty shockingly shite. Look at that. Look at that thing. That thing is like, we don't know where we're going. We don't know where we're going. Okay? That's what that tells me. That's like, we have no clue. Okay? That's what this tells me. However, at least it closed positive. Okay? At least it closed positive. It could have closed a little bit higher, which would have been nicer, but it closed positive. Look at that tail. Okay, so that's a nice, in my opinion, that's better than what we were looking at. We were looking for this to close down here. That would have been ugly. So not bad for quarterly, considering we were all the way down at 49,000. Not bad, okay, not bad. So now, can we have this decision? We need a decision. We need to see this quarter push. Okay, that would be ideal for October, November, December. Ho, 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 pack your bags, let's go. If we don't get that, well, we need to adjust, right? 47,000 is still my line in the sand, as many of you know, but just if you don't know, 47,000 is where, if we come down below here, I will be looking to go risk off. Okay, which means selling most of my altcoins and just holding Bitcoin and cash. Okay, if we do that. If not, I'm looking for this thing to possibly fake out and then push up into the nethers of 80. I think my target's 80 something thousand. 80. Let's go pull the fib. Let's make sure we're giving you guys the right numbers. Pull the fib to the low. 83,744 which is our extension level. Our 272 extension level. So around 80K, I'm looking for a push if we break out of this structure. I think that's reasonable. Full target being that 2618, that 150,000 if we get there. If not, we adjust on as we go. Okay, that's the little macro. Okay, the monthly, beautiful pushback. Okay, for a September, we need to be happy. Okay, this is not a Rectember. This is a positive September, which is very good for all of us. Okay, which is very good for all of us. We just make sure that we keep an eye on what's going to come into fruition after a pushback here of multiple indecisions and, push downs, push ups. This isn't a hammer, okay? This isn't like, okay, hammer candle, let's go to the moon. This is like, okay, we're still in a range, okay? No real decision. We clearly know where all the liquidity is. All the liquidity is up here, okay? This is where liquidity resides. We have billions of dollars of shorts up here that need to be filled. And then I believe we could possibly look for something like this. Scare everybody. Maybe not that low. Okay. And then go. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm not here to predict the future. I'm just here to trade what is in front of us. That's why we're a short-term time trader. And we look to take advantage of price action. Okay. So going through this, what can we really see? Weekly cooling off. Okay. Pushing up. 3-day, looking across the zero line. Still got room to the upside though. So there is some hopium in the 3-day. The daily. Now this is a warning sign, but it's not completed yet. What I want to see is rounding. I need to see rounding on the daily because we can see that we are overextended here on our VWAP. So that gives me an idea that eventually we can look for this thing to cross back up to the upside, which is looking like, if anything, end of the week earliest, maybe, right? Thursday, Friday. something like that. So a little pushback would be nice. We'll see if it happens. We do have green money flow, which is good. Okay. Today, what are we looking for? 12-hour, very simple. VWAP crossover to the upside, a little bit of a pushback. Can we get it? We'll see. We'll see. We've broken the structure. Okay, we've broken the structure. So typically we are looking for a short for the retest. We are looking for something like this where we retest back up here and then we dump. Okay, back down to probably that key level right around 61,000. That's going to be ideal for us. So we'd be looking for shorts, but nonetheless, we have not broken any structure down below here. So we are still in a higher high, higher low structure, which is suggestive that we could be looking to push a little bit more. I'm not in that camp. I'm in the camp where we swing and we push down into this region, and then we look to possibly bottom out. Okay, we'll be keeping our eye on the prize, but nonetheless, it doesn't really matter because we're going to trade what's in front of us, as we always do, and we'll look to take advantage of price action, which can turn into swing trades, which can turn into long swing trades as well, right? But we hope that we can definitely find all the goods, okay? Jonathan Schaefer says, I've been screaming about the Black Swan event that would happen sometime around October to December this year. I posted my TA in the Discord on this months ago. Just posted link for it. Good. So if you guys want to be scared, go and check out Jonathan Schaefer. He's part of the free section. So if you're not, if you want to go and check out Schaefer's, he's busy driving. I don't know. There's masks. There's yeah, you can go check it out if you want to be puckered, a little bit puckered. It's all there for you. Or you can just close your eyes and hang out with us, okay, and look at memes, okay? I am a carpenter. Local carpenter continues to spread disinformation deemed harmful by religious experts, okay? And only 90 kids will remember that there is only 90 kids will remember this. I couldn't resist, okay? I couldn't resist. However, if you do want the TA and all the goods, I mean, come over here. We got it for you. Amazing traders. Little side tangents. We got to have the side tangents. What's up? We got 130 people in here, 45 likes. You guys are incredible. Thank you. Thank you for being here, hanging out. We got the wicks in here. What's going on, Wick 1 and Wick 2? Ron John, what's going on, man? Hodl Crypto, C90, what's going on? Massey, good to see you. To all the new members in the Discord, welcome. Thank you for joining. We love having you. We got Chadswicks Racing in here as well. What's going on, bro? Metal Matt, what's going on? Massive shipping strike started today in the U.S. Ooh. I think Schaefer was talking about that yesterday too, man. Oh, man. All you absolute legends. Okay, so it looks like we're rolling over a little bit right now. Let's take a look. So looking for the VWAP to come up on the 12-hour and a little bit of a trigger wave, right? So when you're oscillating in an uptrend, you look for these little trigger waves with green dots. That would be one here, right? They typically bang, okay? They typically are very powerful, especially like on a 12-hour. If you can get this thing to do that with a little green dot, that would be a beautiful trigger. Look at the money flow, right? Money is green, baby. So we're looking for this to find bottoming, right? And we can hopefully front run this using our shorter term time frames, okay? But we do have a warning sign, stochastic turning red, okay? Stochastic turning green. Stochastic turning red. Do we need to back test and show you guys? Yeah, we do. Okay, so we'll do it. Just so you guys are aware. Okay, every time the stochastic changes color, it's typically on the 12-hour. Okay, on the 12-hour, this is when the stochastic changes color. It's a typical front run to a move. Okay, so you got the warning that it's going to go up. It goes up. Warning it's going to go down. Looks like we're going down. Warning, it's going down. Whoo-wee, right? Yahoo, right? So if you can use this as an early indication of a move, okay? We always want to kind of have, look at this one, right? This is warning you of a down move. Yes, you do have a retest back in, but inevitably you roll over, right? So It's something I like to use just to kind of give myself, hey, we could be looking for more downside here. Okay, we could be looking for more downside, but we got some hope still. I would like to see a swing fail somewhere down in here, right? But we'll have to wait and find out. Okay, 8-hour money flow has been absolute beautiful. Okay, so you can see the nice curvature that we're getting throughout here, and right now it looks like we're coming out. Right, so a little bit of patience. We do have VWAP coming up to the 0 line, trigger wave looking to push. We'll see if we get it. Now let's go into the nitty gritty. The 4-hour green dot has printed. However, VWAP quickly rejected, okay? We don't like seeing this. When you are in an uptrend on the 4-hour, look at this. Stochastics, beautiful. What has happened? We have lost that, right? We have lost that. We are now below the 0 line, which implies a downtrend, right? So now you see the trigger here printing. Money is still green, a little bit of hopium. However, money is coming out, right? So trending down. And look at this. You push down, right? Quick sweep down below. So this is looking bearish. Okay, so today looks a little bit bearish. We could be looking for a sweep of the lows, okay? 3-hour. Same deal, right? We had that little pushback. Same deal. Looks like it wants to roll over. What we would like to see is a sweep of the lows, a bounce, bullish divergence, push back up into our sell zone. Woohoo! And back down, okay? That would be ideal. So we'll look for that. If not, we look to roll over and hit some of these key targets on the way down. Okay? There's nice rounding starting here too on the 3-hour. The 2-hour. Ooh, everybody getting bearish. Red dots. Uh-oh. VWAP crossover. Looking a little scary, isn't it? So let's be patient here. Let's not get over scared. Okay, I don't want to put the fear of God in you, right? We just want to be level-headed here. I would like to see it come up to here. We'll see if we get that. We have pulled a fib from swing high to swing low, right? This would be our area in here, right? Alongside with volume, we pull volume across in here. We got our volume starting off right here, this chunk of volume. Okay, alongside with key levels matching up as well at 64,900. That's going to be our key area that we are looking for, the big old dirty short, okay? This is going to be where we start looking, so we'll keep that in mind. Now, long, like we said, swing failure down into our buy zone. We do have this 62,800 level that has been critical in holding the line here. You can see it held back in here. Okay, it held back in here. Every time we came below here, we pop back up. Okay, this is a very macro line. We'll see if it holds. This is the entry into lower prices, okay? Do we come down into our special zone? We'll see. I'm not feeling that special, so we'll see if we do get a bounce here and a continuation back up into this zone, or we can look to take it down, okay? So a couple of ideas, but we be patient like we normally are, okay? Our 1 hour. Has it reset? Let's see. 1 hour, red dot, okay? So reset, I mean, okay, bottoming out structure, you get that bullish divergence in here. Now we want to see the trigger push down like this. Then you get that follow through. This would be a sweep of the lows, that follow through here, and that bounce back up, okay? That's the hopium, in my opinion, if we do continue to make higher highs and higher lows, okay? We could bounce from where we are right now, but I think that's less likely. We'll see what happens with price action today. Okay? Let's get into our 24. Yep, so we've rolled over, a little bit of a bounce coming in here. Key level of support, I believe. Yep. Okay, so we've reclaimed this level of support. We touched this level of support. Look at how well these trend lines are being respected. Even as resistance here, right? You come back over, you find support. Okay, so very strong right now. We'll see if we can bounce from here, but I think a little bit of patience is going to prevail. It's 8:50. We got 140 people in here, 60 likes. Thank you guys for being here. Smash up those like buttons for me. Please help this get out to a bunch more people. We would love to grow with your support. Thank you guys for being here. Make sure you share this out to your friends, your families, all your crazy loved ones. No, you don't have to do that. I mean, they don't probably want to hear me talk, but that's okay. I appreciate you guys being here and showing your support. and hanging out with me. It's always a fun time here. So thank you for being here. I appreciate you all. Okay. So we have our short idea up top here. Can we get it? We'll have to wait and find out. So we'll put that over here. Okay. Then we have a little bit of a swing up here. Can we get this movement to continue? Very choppy right now. Nothing I want to participate in. Okay. The thing is the price action has been slow and painful. Okay. So we need to be very aware of that and try to, position ourselves accordingly. Right? It's never going to be easy. Where's VWAP, baby? Let's go. We're bouncing off of it as we speak. Of course we are. So we got VWAP to contend with right now. Can it hold? Will it fold? That is the question, right? So, yeah. Okay, getting away, bouncing back too. So this looks like we got our daily low here, which is a point of interest. Okay. Looking to break down from here. Let me cook, baby. Oh, man. I got to go from this one. I don't like that. I don't like this. It's too rounded. So whenever something's rounded, right, your trend lines, your momentum lines don't really work. You're typically looking for this. Okay? Typically. And you're looking to come here. We'll see. We'll see if we get there. This looks like a rollover, baby. Rolling over. JK rolling. Look at all you absolute legends. How we all doing, guys? Thank you guys for being here. Join us in the Discord. We have a free and a paid section. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for being here. Let's say hello again. We got to run through. We said hello to the people who showed up early. For all you latecomers to class, thank you for being here. What's going on, Wick 589, Wick's wife? What's going on? Good to see you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. Redman, what's going on? Luke Zaldana, mad love to you. I see you growing, Luke. You be making some nice trades lately, man. Looking good, brother. Super, what's going on? Sub to Alex and hit the bell. Yeah, I mean, we do have a schedule. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. 8:15 morning time, so you can come by and hang out with us. Kick Drum, what's going on? No Shorts says Kick Drum. Jonathan Schaefer, Bluff City, what's going on? Good to see you. Retro Mike Tech in the chat. Biomax, what's going on? Army Piper, my bro, my fam, my hero, what's going on, brother? Good to see you, man. Thank you for dropping by. Go and check out the Piper Academy if you haven't. You got to go and say hello to the family. What's going on, Piper? My man, Alexandra G. We got to put some Alexandra G emojis in the chat. I mean, absolute mod of all mods. She's everywhere. She must be AI is the story. I think her name's just Alex, and she's very capable of being very multitasking and superstarring. Okay, so, oh, man, what's going on? Massey, C90, good to see you guys. Let's drink the Kool-Aid. Yeah, we drinking the Kool-Aid, baby. That's some good Kool-Aid. Good to see everybody in here. We got some otters in the chat. Good morning to you guys. Good morning. Mad love to you. RMTs. Let's throw some RMTs in the chat as well. Mad love to you guys. If you guys want an exchange, cash back, you can use the BloFin exchange right here. That's pretty sweet. I use it. A lot of people use it. They like it. No KYC required if you want to support the channel that way. We are also sponsored by Market Cypher, Crypto Face himself, the man, the myth, the legend. Absolute G, my guy. Putting us on, sponsoring the channel, Market Cypher. Make sure you grab it. There was a code, no FOMO. I always share the codes when they come out. There's no code right now. You can use my code for 15%, but I always suggest waiting to make that purchase on Black Friday. It's always a good deal on Black Friday, so make sure if you can wait, you can wait. If not, we'll let you guys know whenever the codes come out in the announcements section of the Discord. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being here. We got a whole bunch of absolute legends in the chat. Let's see if we can take advantage of price action today. Today. So let's pull a little fib. Let's see where we're at here. Whoop. Yeah, we could be looking a little order block in between here as well. So we could be looking here. Possible long. I would prefer a swing of the lows, but we'll see. We'll see if we get it. Okay, it's hard. This is you got to deleverage here because you got a little bit more of a stop loss to contend with. We're looking to come up to this red line here. Okay, we'll see if that works out. But patience will prevail. We'll see what the market gives us. It's 856. Wow, we've flown through that top-down analysis. You guys are making me have a quickie this morning. Wow. Oh man, we need to pop off some more dad jokes. We are going to be watching the Dixie. Okay, look at the Dixie, guys. The Dixie, we said yesterday, the Dixie should be coming up into here before coming down. Okay, that's going to be crucial for this continuation of this downtrend. We don't want to see the Dixie break out of this downtrend. That would be, I guess you could put this all the way out here. But we want to see it lose 100. That would indicate more of a bull run. Okay, starting to happen if we do lose this and roll over here. Less purchasing, less dollars, more in assets, weaker dollar. Right, inverse correlation. So you want to see this die for assets to go up. However, we are getting a nice pushback right now on the Dixie. So something to be aware of. Okay, we'll monitor this as it continues to rip, but this definitely looks bearish because it's pumping. Okay, the Nasdaq's got room to go, in my opinion. So right now, I'm gonna get rid of this silly trend line as well. Getting above here and holding this 20,300 area is going to be absolutely imperative, but the Nasdaq looks as though it's strong and it has bottom. So we're looking for this to possibly come back and retest and continue upwards and go into expansion. We haven't seen that just yet, but we'll continue to monitor the Nasdaq as well. Bitcoin dominance, okay? Bitcoin dominance is actually an interesting chart lately. Look at this thing. It's starting to break down into this range again. So we broke out of this range here. We have since rolled back into this range here. So this 57%, 58% is appearing sticky, right? So we're looking for that rotation into altcoins. The big trend line to get below is right here. We need to see this break and lose key trend. Okay, it's on an upwards trend, pushing. We want to see that rotation into alts. Total 3. We look at total 3. We have drawn this out for you guys. So we have made a higher high, which is great. Set your alarms because when we roll back in here, I believe this retest of this trend line, when we do it, will be the time to possibly get into alts. Okay, might be the time. You can see that alts are going to bleed against Bitcoin until they're ready to take off. Okay, so we're watching that as well. We've simply retested previous lows. Now we're looking for this thing to break. Set your alarm. You see the alarm? Set the alarm. Okay? So you don't have to be on the charts all the time. It's always important. Okay? The S&P. I mean, this thing doesn't care. It continues to make all-time highs. So it keeps pushing. My target is to get to 6,000. We'll see if we can get to 6,000. That is the target. That is just a fib extension level from high to low here. Okay, that is my target. We'll see if we can continue to push there. This thing doesn't give a shit. It's just up and up to the right. It's flying. So pretty impressive in my opinion, considering that Jonathan Schaefer says we are going to zero. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Schaefer. I'm kidding. Okay, so now we wait. This doesn't look good for Bitcoin, in my opinion. But the thing is when, see, we can be contrarian here, where when the dollar is ripping, okay, beautiful, great, because what's going to happen is that it gives it room to fall, okay? Look, this looks like a wobbly tower. This isn't like a beautiful, strong structure like a pyramid or something, you know. This is more like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, okay? You got the Leaning Tower of Pisa here. I've been there, by the way. It's actually, they built it and the ground sunk on one side, okay, when they built the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I got a picture of it and I made it my willy. I sat down. You know how everybody does it? So like they're holding up the tower with their hands. I swear to God, you got 1,000 people in a field pretending to hold up a building. They're all like this. They're all taking pictures like this. Everybody, 1,000 people just like this, trying to hold up the Leaning Tower of Pisa when you go there. I'll search and I'll find it. I got a picture of it and I made it my willy. Like I'm holding the tower and it's coming out. I got the picture somewhere. I will find it. I will find it. Now you guys are probably going to be like, you have to go and find that picture now. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. There's no way. I just drew a cock and balls. This is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. What do I have to do? Add warts? People are going to first come on here and be like, this guy's fucked, man. I'm sorry. I got to find it. I was 21 when I went there. I don't know if it's on the phone still. I know I've screenshotted it somewhere. You can give me 30 seconds to look. There's me at the Stonehenge. Maybe you guys want to see Stonehenge. I got into Stonehenge. Edinburgh Castle. Where is it? Come on, show me the Pisa picture. I was young and naive. Okay, don't hate on me for making the Leaning Tower my PP. There's Eckhart Castle. We can show you that. I caught Nessie. We can show you that one too. I went to Scotland. In Scotland. Okay, where is it? Come on, it's got to be in here. I know I've shared it before. Come on. Where is it? I screenshot it every now and then to share because nobody believes me that I did it. And I so did. I gotta like separate it and just have it on stock. So whenever I get requested that we should at least put this on the Bitcoin chart, right? We're rolling over right now. Nothing to trade. Right? We got more entertainment stuff to do rather than trading right now. This is more important. Finding the picture of the Leaning Tower of Pisa as my PP. Okay. What have you come back to? So we were talking about sturdy foundations and what goes up must come down. And when you get an impulsive move that's very aggressive, it typically falls right over, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So we got talking about the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Then I did share about how when I went there, it's everybody's trying to hold up this tower. So that you got 1,000 people in the middle of a field all doing the hand thing, right? They're all trying to hold this damn thing up, and it looks absolutely ridiculous. You're like, these are real humans just out here trying to hold up a wall when it's not really there, right? They just want to get the picture, right? Okay, looks like we're rolling over. I can't find the picture. It's somewhere buried. I can't believe that. I can't believe I can't find it. It's very upsetting for me. It's very upsetting. So hopefully Bitcoin, this is rounded. So we look for this to roll over. It's losing VWAP, which is quite aggressive. Losing VWAP, losing support here, possibly. Next level of support's all the way down at 62.8. Okay, so it's something right now I'm not fully ready to trade yet. It's definitely just looking very weak. And no bueno. You can use search terms in your photo app to find pics. I don't know if it it's only labeled by date. It's not. I haven't like. Is that like an AI function? Good times though. Good times. Funny AF, man. Good times. So it looks like Bitcoin's rolling over right now. I don't know if we ever get there. Let's see if we can come down here. I wouldn't go short here. This is not. You could look for a potential retest of VWAP in here. On Google Drive. Okay. Might have to do that then. I might have to do that on the Google Drive. Yeah, because I think everything's on the cloud. Is that what they call it? The cloud? I'm so bad with technology. I can't believe I'm a day trader. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. We make it work. We make it work. As long as you manage your risk and you're profitable, you got a strategy, you got some edge, you can always learn how to trade. If I can do it, you can do it. I mean, why not? I should be inspiration. I hope. I hope to inspire. It's not easy. This price action isn't easy. Kyle's short right now. Okay. Did he give the signal? Entered short. There you go. You look at this for the live stream. You guys are spoiled. Looking to take that down into golden pocket area. I like it. Break a structure, inverse or head and shoulder pattern. Retest possible. He's probably going to win. He's a smart trader. Let's track it. Let's track it. He's looking to take this down to this order block down in here. Look at you guys getting free signals on the live. You guys are spoiled. You guys are spoiled. Just waiting here. Definitely inspired since watching the Otter Gang. Crypto Clear Cletty, welcome. Welcome. No, we're glad to have you. I mean, it takes time. It's definitely a craft that is scalable. It'll pay you well if you manage risk, if you develop an edge, if right? There's a lot of ifs. If you document, if you reflect and you do some like, hey, what did I do wrong here? I do this still to this day. Okay, you can always hold a trade. I told you I got long here last night. I could have held that all the way up here, made like $1,500 easily. I got out, made $200 quickly, scalp. However, I protected my risk. I risked 300 to make this would have made. I risked 300 to make 900, but I cut it early because I wanted to go to bed. I saw the trade setup, but my risk was always managed. The trade setup was there. There's an edge involved, key level of support, bullish divergence. Okay, so there's always, but I could have held that longer. What could I have done? I could have stayed up till 3 a.m. and held that longer. And I took profits right around here. I could have at least waited to here and made like $500, right? At least to there. I had a key level marked out here, right? Did I do it? No. So I learn, right? I learn. Understanding what's in front of you, how to adjust and make money. It's not meant to be easy. Otherwise, it would be. And you wouldn't make money on it if it was easy, right? Oh man. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't do us like that. Don't do us like that, Bitcoin. Dump it, baby. Dump it for Kyle. I'm on Team Kyle right now, so we'll see if it can roll over here. A little bit of a pushback coming back, retesting VWAP. It's a potential short here. Potential short here. You want to look for a retest on VWAP. You look for that. I suppose that's not something I would trade, but like I said, with this curvature, on a curvature like this, this typically rolls over, right? You got the move up, the roll over, you come back at least to the order block in here. Then you look for potential bounce, but not until this has played out, right? You look for the full circle. Maybe you get a cup and handle reversal down, but not something I trade personally, but it's very possible it could play. See, it's not part of the playbook, so you don't play it, right? Have you taken a trade like this before? You tell me, right? I haven't. I don't trade like that, so I don't take that trade. Patience will prevail. Patience will prevail. That's kind of how I roll. How about Suey? Good morning, Melissa. Good to see you. Good to see you. Why don't you use a trailing stop loss? Trailing stop loss, yeah. I've done it with the leverage and the way I trade, right? If I used a trailing stop loss on the way up here, I would have got knocked out down here, break even, correct? Right? I would have been screwed there. Or maybe I would have got stopped out here. Like, what am I going to set it to? $20? Right? Maybe I could set it to. So I got long here. Right? I got out here. So maybe I could have made an extra, this would have knocked me out on a trailing stop loss right here. So for me, I'd rather just take the money off, pay myself in happy days. That's how it has worked for me. I understand a trailing stop loss, especially if it turns into a swing trade. So if I got into this trade this morning, right, I would have hit take profit 1, bang, right? My stop loss would have been below here. After this higher low, as you guys know, after this higher low, so that would have been the trade, and I would have been targeting all the way up at least to this area in here. Okay. I would have, after this higher low in here, I would have tracked momentum. So I would have gone from swing low to swing high here. And I would have exited the trade right here. That would be my exit. Okay. Very simple, right? Yes, I didn't get this, but I did get this, right? So that's just the way I do it as well. Not going to sell tops, but I'm not going to sell bottoms either, right? So I would have taken maybe 50% here, let the rest run, right? I could have even adjusted this on the way up here like that, okay? Just to track this momentum to the upside. I don't have to get out until this is broken kind of deal, okay? You don't understand it clearly yet. So with a trailing stop loss, Dave, you set it to like $50. So if I got short here, it would trail this by $50. So it's at 508, so it'd be at 558, right? It would move to here. As the price moves against it, it's going to stay within $50 of the price, okay? So it's going to continue to move. If price goes lower, it'll move. If price goes lower, it'll move, right? But if price comes back into it, it won't move and it'll knock you out, okay? However, it's a way to hold a trade, I guess, longer. So like this would still be at this low, so 456, this would still be at 506 or whatever, right? If it was $50. So the further this moves down, this will follow it. And then if it comes back, it'll knock it out. It trails the price by X amount of dollars, whatever you set it at. Maybe you set it at $100, right? So as price moves down, this will follow. Who's in the short right now? Put a 1 in the chat if you took the short given from Kyle in the Discord. Let me know in the chat. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 130 people in here. I'm amazed, man. It used to be me, my grandma, my mom, and Jonathan Schaefer, and sometimes Dave Digital in the chat. Melissa was here, too. Look at all these guys taking Kyle short. Man, look at you guys. I love it. I love it, man. I love it. You guys making money, baby. I mean, if you want that those trade setups, come over and hang out in the Discord. I mean, pretty easy. Entered short. Kyle's just giving you guys the goods. You guys are absolutely spoiled rotten. Spoiled rotten. $1 a day for this shit? Come on, man. Come on, man. Just saying. Just saying. Come on, Kyle. Push that price down, man, you whale. Can you set it to trail at the 786? You can only set it for a certain amount of price, Dave. So you'll only be able to set it as a number. So you'll be able to maybe get in the long, right? And then your trailing stops at like 150 to where the price is. So it continues to follow. As this drops, it'll continue to follow, right? Continue to follow, okay? Continue to follow, right? Okay. I'm still mostly copy trading you guys. That's okay, Easy C. I mean, you are a member. You are learning, which is very important. I highly suggest you don't I see people I hear about people go into trading groups, use maximum size accounts, maximum leverage, and it's that one loss or you didn't manage to trade and you managed to blow your account. Please don't be that person. Not saying that's you, Easy C. I'm just saying in general, don't just take it as verbatim. Make sure you are understanding the trade setup and why. And I think that will help a lot. Okay, we got 10 minutes till market opens. We got a nice push down. Okay, I'm looking for the long down in here. Kyle's clearly giving you guys a short coming back into this area. Nice little move here. We'll see if this can continue to follow through. Looking like it has some strengths behind it, which is quite nice. Okay, it's going to come into some resistance here. Swing low to swing high. Okay, golden pocket area 786. We'll be looking here for a potential long, so we could possibly take it on the way back up. If you don't like to short, we can look for the long, right? Doesn't mean it's going to happen. But look at this beautiful trade setup given in advance. I mean, if you can't make $20 off of a move like this, I mean, you get these all month long. It's a new month. You're already getting a new signal. I mean, I'm going to count up how many signals and how many profitable trades we've had as a community. It's been absolute fire recently. So, I mean, we cooking. The Discord is built on kindness, community. Brewberry giving the trade setups. Look, Brewberry's in a short too, man. I missed the boat on this one, guys. Dump it, Bitcoin. Dump it, baby. Oh, man. I should have FOMO'd in. Dave Digital, your account will blow and you will not blow. Okay? The load will be dispersed. My God. Look at you guys. A lot of people are waiting for that flavor saver. Only trading very small amounts at the moment. Good. Good. You got to start some. I traded $1,000 account for 8 months, 9 months before I went full time. No, full time last August, so about a year and a bit to get full time, which was pretty sweet. But I mean, we were here learning every single day. No days off. So it's been good. Nice little short setup here. Come over and hang out in the Discord. A lot of people keep asking me, where's the membership? Go to membership. It says membership. It has big stars on it. You click this little thing right here. Okay? Good to go. Watch the video. Okay? Watch the video. And then watch. Look at these guys. Look at all these guys winning, man. All you guys rubbing it in my face. There's Jonathan Schaefer. Let's wave to Jonathan Schaefer. Hi, Schaefer. Hey, bro. How's it going, man? How's it going, bro? Oh, man. Good banter, too. Good banter in the Discord. Good fun. I'm kind of jealous of all you guys in this short right now. I'm not going to lie. That's okay. We got market open in 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Okay, we'll see if we get there. Looking like it's pushing back. Don't forget to pay yourselves. That's all I got to say. This looks a little overextended in my humble pie opinion. Okay. Getting a little bit of a bounce here. You could be taking your impulse move here for your Fibonacci. So you could be looking at here as your golden pocket 786. Not ideal in my opinion. I would maybe here. Yeah. I guess it would be this one. I'm looking lower. A little lower. A little slower. We'll see if it does continue to roll over. No FOMO, no FOMO, no FOMO, says Massey. Let's go. No FOMO, okay? No FOMO. You don't need to take every trade. The only thing you need to do is subscribe and hang out with us Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Look at our leaning tower of Pisa here, right? Easy rollover, right? We're going this way. How did your art teacher show you how to draw momentum? If this thing's falling this way, my art teacher said to draw 2 lines and draw C's. Draw C's like it's falling. Look. Oh. Does that show momentum to the downside? I love it. I love it. For all 40 of you who haven't hit the like button, I would really appreciate if you just press. Maybe you have to press back on your phone. I know it's a pain in the ass, but you mind smashing up that like button? Let's try to get to 100 likes. That would be pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool. That's kind of like the goal every day is to get to 100 likes. So thank you for being here. Aiming for 63.1. Whew, we're stalling out right now. Stalling out right now. Smash that like button, as they say. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful trade here. You guys are absolutely spoiled, man. You guys are spoiled. Could have taken the loss of the VWAP here. I mean, I'm sure there's bear divs up in here. Look at that. Triple top. Retest. Bearish divergence. That was your signal right there at 5 a.m. You got another high here at 7 a.m. Could have taken that one too. And you're rolling on a river. First thing I do when I hit that, join the live, is hit that like. Thank you, airdropper. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Did Face close his long last night? I think Face exited, stopped his stream. I think he closed his long. I'm not 100% sure. I don't think I was up that late, but Face is crushing it. Either way, he knows how to have small losses, small wins, big wins, right? You gotta get that in your head. The small losses is not allowed to change, my friends. Always have your lunch money. Okay? If you're a 3-to-1, so let's say you want to make, you're risking $300 to make 900. That's generally how I roll. Generally. Okay? Sometimes A plus setup, I'll do 500 to 1500. Okay, I will add a little bit more oomph on the trade. Okay, or I will add to a trade depending on the setup. Okay, depending on the setup. But in general, you should go to understand where your $100 to make $300 is. Who cares about this $300? Okay, you will get better with your R multiple as you trade more. Okay, you'll get better with cutting winning trades off because you know they're going to go in the opposite direction. Okay, you will get better with that. But please predefine your risk. Please, I beg you, make it whatever, $10 to $30. Just make sure this doesn't change. Okay, and adjust your leverage and your risk management to that number. Okay, reverse engineer it. Make sure you understand where your $10 is to lose before you even try to make any money. Please. Thank you. That was my bag of the day. Okay. TRD Farmer. I'm here, not in a short with you, Alex O Crypto. I'm not in this short either, man. I am short, but I ain't in this short. Okay. It's okay. That's okay. I'm just gonna cry a little. We got market open in 2 minutes, guys. Also, we have news coming out at 10 a.m. It's the jobs. It's the jobs. Casper goes schlong positions. Yeah, Casper's a beast. We know that. We all know Casper's a beast. Mad love to JC, man. God bless you, Jason, for leading the way. I mean, those uneven butt cheeks are paying me lots of money, baby. So thank you for showing us your ways, making it not only good trading, but absolute great entertainment. I love it. Mad love to JC out there. God bless you, bro. Wherever you are, and your chickens and your biceps and all that stuff going on there. Absolute beast of a trader. Market Cypher family, baby. That's it. That's it. I mean, I have nothing but respect for people who are trading these markets every single day. I know how hard it is. The only thing I can't stand is people who are influencers who think they're traders. That drives me nuts. I won't lie. If you are on here telling people how to trade and you're not making a living from trading and you're here to trick people into buying your shit program, I mean, you are a con. You are a liar, and I have no time for that shit. Okay? That's why we always say we want to be traders helping traders, okay? Some people are teachers. That's okay. It's okay to be a teacher. But until you put on size and you see it go against you and you get that little puckering, you know what I mean? I mean, you can talk about mindset all day long, baby. You ain't gonna, don't be telling me what to do if you're not doing it, right? Get in those charts, take the trades. We're traders helping traders. And that's what we've been built on, right? This is what this community is built on. I started trading. I met a whole bunch of you guys in Faking Candles Discord. We kind of went our own ways, and then we started our own channel. But, it's always been like, man, we want to trade. We want to be great. And we wanted to build that life of freedom. I mean, me, Sniper's Nightmare, Jonathan Schaefer, Dave Digital, a whole bunch of people. We started out with Billy, and that's it, right? Like, I mean, who do you want to learn from? Do you want to learn from someone who's, taking their $2 trades and going home and being like, man, I told you so. Those guys are fucking idiots. I'm sorry. I told you it was going to go this way. Oh, fucking, where's the evidence? Where's the trade? This thing's going to dump, baby. Look at this. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All you guys taking your short. I'm hoping the short plays out nicely for you. I'm looking for bottoming structure within this area here. Okay? Market is open. S&P. S&P's failure to make a new high, looking like it wants to roll over as well. We got news coming out in half an hour. NASDAQ continues to roll over as well. Big area within here for NASDAQ to come back to. Okay. Looking good. Dixie ripping. Big rip for the Dixie. We'll see if it can roll over as well. But consolidation, maybe roll over later. Okay. Bitcoin continues to push down. Amazing trade, friends. Amazing trade. Congratulations. GG's to you guys. GG's to you guys taking the short. Amazing trade. Let's see if it can continue to push. If you are new here, you can see that Kyle has moved his stop loss and he's making that moolah. All right. Okay. Easy trade setup given this morning. You guys are spoiled, man. I love it. I love seeing you guys win, baby. Let's go. Kyle's actually targeting down here. Can it continue to roll over? Let's see. Good morning, OC. What's going on? The OC guy. We do have a tournament coming up for Halo. If you want to play tournament with us, we're doing a Halo 2 tournament where we're giving away 3 months membership and a lifetime chart prime indicator suite. Value is over $1,000. My God. We're going to have some fun this coming weekend. We'll have more information in our Discord. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Okay. Mad love OC. OC's ready to get the Halo treatment, baby. Look at this thing roll, baby. Rolling over. Dump it, baby. Dump it. Let's go. We're coming into our buy level now. So now we can start to look for a potential reversal at this area for a potential long. Will we get it? We'll see. More ideally, I would like to see this down here. We'll see if we do get this here, but we would like to see that swing failure pattern, right? And that bounce. Okay. Very nice trade, everybody. GG's. I'll even put a GGOG in the chat. Congratulations to all you people taking that short this morning. Mad love to you guys. Look at this thing. This thing is printing that money all day, every day. My God, look at this. This is gorgeous. Let's go, Bitcoin. Okay, losing VWAP. Standard deviation 2 is down within here. We are now hitting the golden pocket, 786 of the small little range. Can we bounce? Don't look like it. Look at this. Look at the money, man. You guys are printing. Money, man. Woo-wee. Rolling over. Bitcoin to the ground. Okay. We'll take this one off. Oh, man. Look at this thing go. You guys are making money. I almost want to FOMO in. I should have FOMO'd in up here. Let's go. Good job, Otter gang. We're all here to thank Kyle. Like we said, we had the rounded bottom or rounded top here, right? So rounded top. Beautiful trade setup. Look at the momentum coming in. Okay. It's a new one for me. I'm going to ask Kyle. Hey, Kyle. Maybe you guys should be like, hey, Kyle, what gave you the idea to get short here? Okay? Maybe that's a question you ask Kyle in his chat, because you can be like, hey, why? Why did this work out so well? I know I'm going to ask him. I'm going to call him and be like, hey, bro, what the fuck, man? What the hell? He'd be like, I just gave you the trade. I'm just Kyle. Don't you know? I pity a fool. Oh, man. He's starting us off with a bang on October. It's probably because I paid him last night. Right? It's probably because I paid him. Right? Kyle? I'm going to just put show off here. Make sure you guys are dropping some. You guys can hit emojis in here, right? You guys can give them some love, right? You can give them some love in here. Fire, yeah, I see it, guys. Make sure you're giving some love to these setups. I mean, amazing. Look at the money making machine. This guy's printing you guys money. Now he's laughing at me. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful trade setup. So, what are we waiting for now? We got to roll over on the S&P. S&P's dumping as well. NASDAQ rolling over. Dixie pumping, baby. So, very, very bearish all around. Okay, looking like it wants to roll over. Solana, altcoins. Some altcoins holding on for dear life here, but they are rolling over as well. You can see it throughout the market. Jerome Powell speaks. The market reacts very negatively. Okay, very negatively. Yeah, not looking too good. Coming down to key support as we speak right now. So we'll see. We're looking for an SFP down below here. However, this is looking quite bearish. Looking quite bearish. Bearish. We got 135 people in here, 110 likes, guys. Thank you so much for smashing that like button. Subscribe if you are new here. We go live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. We have an amazing premium Discord. Gave this short in advance. It wasn't even me. It's the OG, Kyle, just crushing it. And if you aren't subscribed to Kyle, go and check out his channel. Invest to Share, Kyle Chisamore. I don't know how to say his last name. I better ask him that, eh? But giving you guys the setups. We also have an amazing technical analysis. Brewberry here, giving you guys. He's in the short too. He's crushing it. He goes live for you guys Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. in the morning, giving you guys all the beautiful charts. Okay, absolute beautiful group of people here. Traders helping traders. That's what it's all about. Look at this thing rolling over. Can it hold the 62,800 key level of support? Okay. Brewberry in the chat. What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? I love you, man. Brewberry in the chat coming through. It's early for you, man. It's early for you. Kyle's just printing money for the whole gang, man. Kyle's printing us all money. I'm not in it. I'm jealous. I'm not going to lie. I'm jealous. I just made $2 straight. Now I can tell everybody what to do. That's it. That's it. Brewberry's in the chat, man. God bless you, bro. Hope you're having a wonderful week. Thank you for everything you do for this channel, for the gang. You are family. You are an amazing person. I got to hit you up, man, because I want to put my kid in some Kung Fu Panda stuff. I don't know. I need your experience. Maybe we can do a session once a week and do some karate. Heidan, shodan. But yeah, definitely gonna get my son in some martial arts early. Oh man. Airdropper, you're done. What are you done from, man? Oh man. Good to see you guys here. Looking for the bounce from here. Looking for a bounce from here. This is a big liquidity grab. Will it continue to roll over? Kyle is closed. Target reached. Beautiful. Beautiful, Kyle. Look at that. Money, 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 money. Money. Wow. Just dying. Jerome Powell killing the market, man. Dixie ripping. Everything else rolling over. ETH coming into a buy zone. Bitcoin dying. Taking the elevator down, right? That's the typical thought. Here's they're taking the elevator down. Doesn't look like it wants to stop. Next stop is 62,000. Whew. 62,000. Losing key support in here, so we can get rid of this one here. We can get rid of this one in here. Okay. Now we can look for potential retest. You got no reason to go long in here. Okay. This thing is just on its way to Middle Earth. It's gone, baby. It's gone. People getting wrecked, man. That's why you don't get too bearish or too bullish. You don't take it unless you have the setup in advance. Big rollover here for Bitcoin. Now, don't be surprised if it pushes back up just to wreck late shorts, okay? If you've gotten short in here, be careful. Make sure you're paying yourself. If you're chasing price, do not be a victim for the... They will push it up and then dump it on your head. They will do it, okay? I'm not here to fudge you on that shit. That's for real. You guys have hit... The target has been hit for the short. Amazing trade by Kyle. Amazing for the gang. Those who took it, congratulations. What was the news? So Jerome Powell spoke yesterday. He's trying to be dovish, but him trying to be overly dovish is bearish, okay? He's like, oh, the job market's going to be great, blah, 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 blah. It's like, you're forcing it, bro, because you know there's data that's going to say, hey, man, this looks like shit, right? So, in my opinion, he's covering something up. He's covering something up. There's something fishy here. Okay. That's that SFP we were looking for, my friends. So, the SFP has happened, right? Swing fail of the lows here. Pushing back up, scaring everybody right now. Now we're looking for a potential push up, higher low. Okay. Push up, higher low. Very overextended here on our anchor wave. Okay, money coming out. This could just continue down. Don't get it twisted. But if we do reclaim 62,800, we could be looking for a potential long here. Okay, not in any trade right now. Just being patient. We'll see if this can continue. Target was hit for the short. Congratulations to everybody who... Kyle's trade paid for 3 years of Discord membership. There you go. Right? I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy. That was the beginning of the month. This is your first day on your membership, and you should be paid for already. I mean, insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Okay? Pushing back up here. Can it continue to push? We'll see. We'll see. To me, this looks like it wants to continue to roll over. 1 minute time frame. Okay, a little bit of a V-shaped recovery. Retest back in here. Yeah, nothing I'm trading just yet. Nothing I'm trading. Port Strike East Coast. Yeah. Yep. Jonathan Schaefer gave you guys all the warning in the world from the port strikes. If you go up in here, you can see Jonathan Schaefer talking about boats all last night. All last night. Dock workers threatened to strike U.S. ports. Who's ready for the depression? Okay? Jonathan Schaefer gave you guys the signals. Okay? Iron prices are exploding. No more Iron Man. He's now a tinfoil man. Aluminum man. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Beautiful trade. Beautiful group of people. Loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving watching you guys make money. It wasn't my morning today, okay? Woo-wee. Nice 1.5% move back down. We could look for follow through here. We could look for follow through. It would mean coming back up above and rejecting down. See, people are shorting the farm now. Roll over here, big roll over here on NASDAQ. NASDAQ's taking an absolute dump. Absolute big old fart to the downside. Dixie ripping. We are within that long territory, though. I'm not going to count it out. I'm not trying to get overly bullish or overly bearish. I just want to be very cautious. Alts are holding up. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, they are holding some support. We look at ADA, LTC. Yeah, AVAX. Yeah, in a bit of a downtrend here, coming down into key support into the range. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Injective. Ooh, look at that injective trade hit. That was a pretty nice trade. Wow. Okay. You can get rid of that now. Injective holding the highs here. Some things are doing okay. Optimism. Yeah. Remember we said we're looking for total 3 to return back down, right? Total 3 to return back into here around 600 billion, right? That would be our target right in here for a retest of that downtrend, okay? We'll see if we get it. Bitcoin continuing to roll over. Yeesh. Bitcoin dying. Dying. Clearly finding some support here, which is weird. Not something I was looking for. We got our big level down below here. We'll see if we get there. My God, Bitcoin rolling over. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. Thank you for supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. Hopefully we continue to deliver. I mean, Kyle delivered for you guys today, man. Big ups to Kyle. Big ups to all you guys who took the trade. God bless you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday. We're getting a little bit of a pushback here, possibly. I wouldn't be surprised if they pushed right back up aggressively and then dumped on everyone's heads. That would make sense to me. We know people are going short here. We know people are going, not us. We're not going short here. We know that they're going to be trapped. They're trapping shorts here. Okay? They're going to push up and then wreck them. Or they're going to push up and give us that trade that we want. But there's no trade right now. We wait for the dust to settle. Okay? Look at here, a little swing failure pattern here on the 1 minute. Okay? Can we get this little push up here and then a rejection down? Possible. Can we flag up and to the right? Right? We are not shorting here. The short was given up here. That's okay if you didn't take it. With dumps, we usually see alts down like 10%. Yeah, so they are holding the door, if anything. They are holding the door. Either way, we just wait, right? I mean, it sucks. I know you don't want to wait. I know you're here to hang out. And you want to make money, and I do too. I'm very much about that, as you guys know. But you can't force the trade. That's the last thing you can do. Father Time, I'm late. What did I miss? Well, in the Discord, Kyle gave the short setup this morning from up here. So everybody's made a lot of money this morning. Absolutely crushing it. And now we're waiting. So, if you are new, come over and hang out in our amazing Discord. You even get to talk to not Jonathan Schaefer. He lives in, just in case you're wondering where Schaefer lives, he lives in Antarctica. He's sometimes a penguin, sometimes a giraffe. And he says gold, platinum, uranium is pumping. He identifies as a profitable trader. I don't know if that's true or not. I'm kidding. Yes, he is. Absolute alpha. Absolute alpha. The Discord's where it's at. Finding some bottoming here at a level that I'm not familiar as a key level. So let me take a look here. So these lows, okay, I can see. Yeah, maybe you're trying to come for the order blocks in here. Not ideal. This is not something I'd be ideally looking for. Something for price to swing into. It has, but it's not something I would look to mark out as a key level. Definitely not. Maybe it's the value area low of this range in here. If I pull this range, now you're even below that. So not ideal. Not ideal. 1 hour rolling over. Look at the money flow. Look at the VWAP. Very overextended on VWAP here. 30-minute. Same deal. Deep anchor wave. Okay. Big old lower low here. So we'll see if this continues to push. S&P's dying. NASDAQ's dying. Okay. Dixie's rising. Okay. So right now it's very contrarian to go long here. Even though risk on, we look for a hedge against, for a hedge of safety in Bitcoin like gold is, we're not getting that pushback, okay? So it's not trading any different to what's going on in the stock market right now, okay? Itty bitty welcome to the Otter gang. All the raccoons are now forcing trades. Yeah, exactly. They're trapping shorts here. In my opinion, they're gonna do something like this quick. And it's gonna be quick. They could roll over here, bullish divergence. We could look for a higher high and look to get long there. No trade so far. 8 minutes till Powell, waiting on Powell. If jobs, major dump. Yeah. We got the jobs coming in. Okay, this is going to be a fun time. Jolt's job openings. What do you guys think? Up or down? I think down. It's an easy guess right now. I mean, with Jerome Powell coming out yesterday, emergency meeting, right? Emergency meeting, and then he comes out dovish. He comes out, jobs are looking good. We're a strong economy. It's a snapshot. It's right now. It looks okay. Wait, let the plane land, right? Because the plane is coming in, right? The plane needs to level out and take off. That's what we need to see with the numbers, right? We need to see the numbers look like this. Very simply, they need to be coming down, flattening out, coming up, very short, very slowly, right? Even if this is longer. We go over here. We look at some of these numbers. Let's look at the numbers. Let's look at the chart. Okay? What do we see right now? Is there any landing gear deployed yet? Do you see any landing gear deployed yet? I don't see any. I don't see it. Do you guys see it? Let's go to the 3-year. What does the 3-year say? Since March of 2022, we've been going. Does this look like it's flattening out at all? Does it? Can we get a little curvature to the upside? That would be nice, wouldn't it? Okay. This looks like you're coming in for the landing. You haven't landed yet, okay? Just keeping it really simple for my simple mind, okay? Oh man. You guys are great. You guys put up with my shit. Thank you for being here. Can we get that push? This looks like it wants to push up. Here comes the push up. Come on, baby, push. Get above our key level of support. Give us something. Give us something. Give us a higher high. Nope, rejection. 3 minutes till the news. I'm going to stay on later here. I'm going to stay on later alligator, okay? We'll see if we can get up to VWAP. That would be nice. That would be nice. I don't know if we get there. Are you guys feeling a bit worried about the market now after a 1.5% dump? Don't be too worried. Iran is preparing to hit Israel with a missile strike now. Oh, great. Oh, great. This sounds like fun. My God. Uptober, they said. Uptober. Uptober. Yeah, right. Oh, man. Schaefer. Where's the post, man? Where's the post? Are we going to short this thing again? Are we going to short the news? We're getting a little bit of a pushback right now. Nice pushback. Coming back for those shorts. Coming back for those shorts, baby. Coming back. Here comes the news, too. No trade yet. No trade yet. Higher highs. Good sign. Let's see. We're pushing back a little bit here. Nice pushback. Coming back for late shorts. Remember, coming back for late shorts. Could have taken this trade up. 2 minutes till news. I would look for VWAP as resistance. We can go from the impulse move down here. Impulse move down into this area within here. Looking for potential shorts as well. Okay. We can look for this for potential shorts too. We got news coming here. We can target back down to this green box down below here. Okay. 62,800 is sticky. Let's remember that. It's very sticky. 62,800. We don't want to get overly bearish here. We got 1 minute till news. My wife's coming because she really wants to make me a coffee. What's going on, wife? I can read lips. Yeah? Oh, my beautiful son. Bring him here. I'll hold him. Yeah, I'll hold him. I'll hold him. No trade. We're waiting for news right now. Go and do your thing. Dylan. What do you think? Up or down? He said up. Jobs came in positive. He smells good, eh? They smell really good. Press buy. You wanna spend some of Daddy's money? You can press buy. Press buy. Press buy or sell. What do you want to press? You want to press buy or sell? Billy Goats tonight, yeah. Givers game, baby. You want to press buy? I got the FOMO too. Don't worry. I got the FOMO too. I missed the short, so Daddy's got to take the T-bird away. Okay? I know. Dixie dumping. Dixie dumping. Hey, little man, it's okay. Yeah. Coming up to the golden pocket. The golden pocket's like your nappy after you pee. You know? It's like that. Okay? Okay, bottoming here. I would look for a retest down into here. This is big. Couple options. Yeah. He is a cutie. You know, most babies are pretty ugly. I mean, I am biased, but yeah. You want to say hello? Oh man. Absolute little legend. He's got a shirt on. It has giraffes, elephants, and lions. He is a Leo, and he's born in the year of the dragon. Pretty sweet combo, eh? He's got nothing to brag about already. He's like, I'm a dragon and a lion. Talk about not fair. Talk about not fair. No screens until he's 10, at least. Right? Rejection off the golden pocket here. Coming down. Retesting the key support, 62.8. Possible long from 62.8. This is why you learn to day trade. So you get time like this to spend with your family. Right? This is why I did it. So you can not have to be at work. Start a family. Bunny and a crab here. Yeah, I'm a horse and a fish. I'm a horse and a fish. Good luck with no screens till 10, bro. I know, right? They love them already. Like because he has his grandma in England, his nana in England, so he he has to talk to her on the screen. He was so good last night. He was such a little angel. I mean, he's good every night, but he was extra good last night. He let Daddy sleep last night. Little heartthrob here. Yeah, he'll be throwing out some signals. Maybe we'll start his own little trading group in our trading group. Exclusive TA. So it looks like we've pumped up here and we're getting a rejection off the golden pocket, pushing back down. We'll see if 62,800 holds as support. Potential long setup coming in. Okay. We got positive jobs data. I live near Toronto. Yeah. GTA area. Canada. I grew up downtown Toronto though. I grew up at Queen and Broadview, right down in the gut. So we got positive news here, a little rollover, grabbing some liquidity, looking for the bounce off of this key support line at 62.8, which has remained sticky. We could see a little sweep here and then a bounce, but would like to see price get back up to VWAP. Obviously rolling over because of the docs and stuff like that. Definitely his trading group, you definitely have to pay with milk or baby food. I'm sure he's going to like, pastries like his father. I don't know how much his mother will allow him to have pastries, so we'll see. He's got the best mom in the world though, so he's spoiled rotten with love. Oh, outside of Ottawa, Armpire or Renfrew, maybe, or west of there. West, I don't know. Ottawa's nice. Ottawa Valley. All we have to do is get rid of Justin Trudeau, and we'll be all right. We'll be all right in Canada, hopefully. Look at this rollover, getting everybody a little bit bullish on the news, coming back to wreck the longs now. Okay, potential long here. Potential long here. I'm not taking it, obviously. I'm here rocking away. I would potential long here, in my opinion. I'd look to get long, possibly. Yeah. We'll see. Renfrew area, best hockey tape in all of Canada, baby. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. Glad to have you, man. Glad to have you. Yeah. 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 What? Keep rocking, Dad. He says, keep rocking. Keep rocking. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. I'm going to sign off here, though. No trade today. We gave the short in the Discord, though. Congratulations to all who took the trade. God bless you guys. Hope you had a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you guys in the Discord, okay? Be safe out there. Thank you for supporting me and helping me support you. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get up out the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you follow it.